Hi guys, welcome to Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to adjust ringtone volume on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Realme 5 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Okay, tap this. In sounds and vibration, okay, go to volume section. Okay guys, here in volume section, you can see here the ringtone adjustment. And okay guys, to adjust the ringtone, okay, you'll have to do is you can adjust to the right to hide the ringtone, or you can adjust to the left to low the ringtone. And okay guys, I decide to high the ringtone by adjusting to the right. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully adjust ringtone volume on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.